One of the world's premier vaccine and infectious disease experts, Dr. Bruce Gellin, has spent decades working to protect the lives of millions across the globe from the threat of infectious diseases through effective and equitable immunization strategies. When he joined the Department of Health and Human Services as Deputy Assistant Secretary for Health in 2002, the U.S. had just experienced 9/11 and the anthrax attacks. It was a true reminder of the importance of being prepared for a public health emergency. Thus, as Director of the National Vaccine Program Office at HHS, Dr. Gellin heeded the call and developed the department's first ever pandemic influenza preparedness and response plan, which ultimately evolved into an all-hazards approach. It was one of many leadership roles that have marked his notable career shaping U.S. public health policy. In 1998, as a medical officer at the National Institutes of Health, working on clinical vaccine research, Bruce had a front row seat to cutting-edge science and the promise of new vaccines. On a personal note, his wife Sharon, who was pregnant at the time, joined a mom's club whose members were asking pointed questions about vaccines. The contrast between these two worlds could not have been more striking, and Bruce dedicated himself to addressing vaccine misinformation and disinformation. Throughout his distinguished career, Dr. Gellin has translated evolving science into accessible and actionable information that the public can trust and decision makers can use to inform policy. Bruce has held numerous national and international leadership positions advising on global immunization, strategic policy development, and pandemic preparedness and response. National and multinational organizations have relied on his expertise, including Gavi, the Sabin Vaccine Institute, and the World Health Organization. Through it all, Bruce has maintained a dedication to family, a love of travel, and a great sense of humor that endears him to colleagues and fellow vaccine advocates. In recognition of his leadership and lifelong work to prevent infectious diseases through education, communication, and collaboration, NFID is proud to present the 2022 John P. Utz Leadership Award to Dr. Bruce G. Gellin.